Hello guys, it's Thomas and welcome to Friday's recap. And it was a traveling day for me, so I took a different approach and I paper traded as I only had my laptop with me and I was not feeling confident trading without my PC setup with three large monitors. But on the other hand, I also didn't want to waste an opportunity of new situations. So, as per usual, at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, I did my preparations and then I was going to look at the first couple of bars at the markets, seeing if I could at least practice my trade spotting, which worked out great. So a little bit of inspiration for you guys if you're traveling, and if it's not so-called holiday and you just want to have a day off, then definitely at least paper trade. It will give you the feeling of ease because you are not risking your own money and you can just practice. So from the watch list, I spotted two opportunities, one long, one short, and let's get started with the long idea. So the stock ACB, Aurora Cannabis, was the previous day was engulfing a continuing downtrend for a couple past days, and the volume was rising significantly, and coupled with the gap up, I was feeling that this would go a long way, and it did. Seeing the one-day candle as it closed down, you can clearly see that the range of that day was pretty outstanding compared to the previous days. So let's drill down to 2 minutes and let's check my entry. All right. So as you can see down there in the paper trading, I did a plus 80, risking 40, so 2 to 1, which was preset, so I didn't really wanna chase the trade, so I just set it in and let it run. So looking at the history, I entered at 8:51 and a break of a half number with a stop at 8:08 and got out at 9:38, 1 cent above my desired exit price because the stock was just ripping, so I even had a better fill. Of course, this is demo, so it doesn't mean that much. So a great trade, and later on you can even see that it went as high as 11.60, and had I been at the screens, there were another signals waiting for me. So the break of 10 was a really nice cup and handle formation with the stop loss at 9.55, 9.60. So you would have needed about 80 to 100 cents, which was right around there. So possibly a 3 to 1 trade later that day. The short idea was in APDN, Applied DNA Sciences, and from the daily graph you can see a really extended move, almost parabolical, and seeing the doji right there and seeing the gap down, we can check the SPY we can check the SPY that day. Let's see. So yesterday the SPY was sorry, a Friday, it was gapping down originally, then later on it would go higher, but the opening price was lower. So all in all, I expected a move down in APDN, and drilling down again to the 2 minute. You can see the entry there at the break of the previous swing high on the left, and also a break of this red candle, which provided us with the stop loss as well. Again, you can see it in the history. So the order was filled at 12.75 right there, and then I went on to modify this order to attach the profit target, which I always do after the fill, because you never know how much of a slippage you're gonna get, so you don't know how much of a target you're gonna need. With the stop loss approximately 60 cents away, I needed to aim for $1.2. But there was some kind of bug which entered a new order instead of modifying the older one, so I exited immediately with just a few cents of profit. But we can check how this stock traded. So with a $1.2 target, you would need 11.50. So let's see if I got it, and boom, there we go, 11.53. If that was not enough for you guys, then it got as low as 11 dead. So really another winning trade, with again the possibility of adding right around 12, and then later on at 11.50 a nice breakdown or possible adding point for this stock. And as I said, the lows of the day were right there at 11.01. So a possibly +4 day, but you know, that's the trading life. The moment you switch to paper is the day you wish you had used your live account, but at least I got a slight boost in confidence that I was able to locate 2 great trades. So again guys, if you are out of your comfort zone with your hardware, at least try to paper trade. You're risking nothing, and you are staying in your trading routine, which will help you greatly. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.